Buddy, we're making another video for our job that we're doing in St. Jude Catholic Church in Toronto. We just finished that door over there. I'm gonna walk faster. So we just finished this door here. We took out the whole door that was here before. It was an old ugly thing that was here before, and we did this whole thing, and basically put the LC and closer, did the whole concealed panic vertical rod, and we have the threshold and everything, so that's done, and we mortared it in, so nice looking. As you can see over there, some other guys came and they did this project, and it was a nightmare. What they did a lot of foams. They had the whole door hanging with foams where kids are going to be playing and all that. So we came in, we had to take it all down. So we're putting this whole thing new, and of course we installed the door and the whole thing. You should have seen it. We should try to make a before and after video. But this is kind of thing they had here before. They had something like this, which was really old. And so we came in and we did that. And anyway, tomorrow I'm going to make a video to show inside there. And we have a couple of doors and more that we did. But I'm going to continue this video tomorrow. Show everybody, what we've been doing here. Thank you guys. Bye.